Hello, welcome to something a little bit different. I usually record Let's Plays. I decided to do a Let's Code, at least that's what I call it. I have no idea if this is going to be interesting, no idea if I will ever upload it. I wanted to do a live stream first, but I don't know if I'm cut out for live streaming, so I'll just do recordings instead. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to start a new helper bot on Discord for a game called Idle Farm, which came out 8 days ago. This one. I already made helper bots for Epic RPG, which, if you do not know Epic RPG and you do not know Idle Farm, I have no idea how interesting this is going to be. So just keep that in mind. I don't need this one. Yeah, I made in here I have a real mess of shit. You know, just I can already see. Thank Meme, where are you? Thanky, there you go. Goodbye. You just spam everything with your / commands. Okay, that's better. Why is it still in here? Anyway, I made Epic RPG Guide, which is not a good name, but it's too late to change it. I made Navi, which is, where is it? Where is it? There it is. Too many Navis in here. This is also for Epic RPG. This is, well, Epic RPG Guide is a, it's an Epic RPG Guide, right? Navi is more of an active thing. It helps you with all of your cooldowns. It helps you with random helpers. And this is also what I intend to do today, although I'm not sure what exactly I will include. We will see. We will see. And the other thing I made is MayaDB, which is a rather weird name, I know, which is another helper bot like Navi for another Discord game called Tree. And I will actually take this today and clone it and then start off from that, because doing everything from scratch doesn't really make much sense if you already did it. Now, I would like to mention two things. First of all, I would like to mention I need some music. Now, first of all, I am not an expert coder, right? So if you are an expert coder, you might see a lot of things where like, oh my God, what is this? This is just a hobby. I like doing it. So there is probably going to be a lot of stuff that is not optimal. That's just how it is. The other thing is, this is not going to be a how to make a Discord chatbot tutorial. It will also not teach you how to code. This is literally just me doing my thing. So it might be useful, it might be interesting, or it might just not be any of that. So keep that in mind. Okay, so I already created a bot. This is Molly. This is what it's going to be called. This is the avatar. By the way, if you need an image for something like this, please don't just open Google Images and steal an image. Please. Okay, that's not how you do it. What I usually do is I go over here to a website called Pixabay. Everything here you can use for free, so that's perfectly fine. I think this is a cute little picture, which is why I use it. All right, I did that. I already invited it. It's offline, of course. There she is. It's offline because there isn't anything yet. There is no code, so it can't run yet. That's going to change now. Right. Now, let me just take Maya in my complete mess of a coding folder and let me just copy everything that I might need. README. Yes, I also need the README. I need the main file requirements. The default.env. I don't need the license. That is the only thing I already have. And I need the git ignore. Very, very important. I'll explain in a second why. Right. So, Molly, there we go. Nothing much in here. I think I'm going to open that over here as well. Programming, Molly, images. All right, so let's have a look at the images. First of all, I have these two images. Obviously are not interesting. I do have my logo here. Wrong screen. Here it is. Let's rename that to Molly and move it over here. I can get rid of the Maya. Now here we have a lot of emojis. I think I can safely get rid of all of those. These, I don't know yet. I will have a look at that later. One thing at a time. Now logo 2, logo large. What is that? Well, I have no idea. Let's just I'll just leave them in there for now. And this is probably the original. Yes, this is the original file. Okay, I will move them somewhere else. No, not to the emojis file. Okay, right. Version. Well, I'm gonna have a look at that from inside the IDE. All right, let's open this. Now, technically, I could already run it, of course, but there is no real point because I would like to make a new one. And now it's essentially just a copy of Maya. There we go. All right, so now I need to get rid of everything that I don't need yet. First of all, version, let's just call it 0.1.0 because why not? That was the wrong button. Today is Swiss national holiday. That's what today is. We have some terms and yeah, okay. I need to do that eventually. Molly, let's just remove Molly. This is effective from today and last updated, well, today. Discord TOS, yes, you should do that. Oh, wait. Here's another Maya. Let's just get rid of all of the Mayas. Here's another Maya. Maya. Okay. Yes. This link here will probably open when I click on it. Yes. But it is not... Oh. It's not really... You can't click on it yet. But, I mean, if you look at it, I mean, it's quite literally empty, so... What's the point? Hey, more Maya. Maya. There's another one, I think. Maya. Molly support server. Oh, I don't have the Molly support server. Oh, yeah, they changed the usernames on Discord, so let's do that. Molly support server. Not yet. Okay. Yeah, we'll probably also have to do that. Okay, the readme. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna do that another time. This, on the other hand, should be quicker. Yeah, today. I know this is not very exciting, but it has to be done. I could have actually started off screen. Okay. When you turn on the bot, it starts tracking your tree commands. No, it starts tracking your idle farm commands. The term tracking, yeah, tracking I will probably add as the very first thing, because I would like to see how many rolls I do of each worker. That is actually interesting. Molly reads idle. Okay, this is more work than expected. If a claim message is detected, it will also read your claim / command or your idle claim message. That's a good example. Caches out the message, starts with idle. Damn, this is really not interesting. The main repository, yeah. Maya Molly, I think it is 0020, which I really like a lot. That's the wrong button. Molly. Oh, I probably can't see it because of the streaming mode, right? Yeah, okay. The Molly support server again. Yeah. Still not yet. Still not yet. Nice English. Okay, I think that looks about right. Why is it complaining here? Spaces inside code span element. Yeah, well, that's just how it is. Stop complaining. All right, default.env. I'm not gonna open the other one, by the way, because in there I have my token. Never leak your bot token. Anyone could take over your bot. Not that it is very important right now because it doesn't even exist yet, but still. This is also why this is important, the git ignore. So somewhere in here there is the .env, so it's not uploaded on GitHub. I need to rename the database. Oh, I also need to do the database. This is gonna be not a very exciting recording. All right, so let's hop into the main file. So when you run the bot, this is what runs and starts the whole thing. So here we have the intents we need. Here we have some error handling, and here we have the codes it loads. Why is this? That's better. So I need the cache, I need the detection. Do I? Yes, I will have a look at it. Yes, I need my internal commands. I will leave miscellaneous. What is that? There we go. Now I have a second. Okay. Miscellaneous. What is that? The calculator. Do I need a calculator? I'll just leave it in there. Why not? Rebirth. I most certainly don't need rebirth. Reminders. I'll take that out for now. Settings. Yeah. Later. Tracking. Yeah. Let's leave the tracking in. Let's have a look how this is made. So here we have the tracking commands. That is literally only the tracking command, okay. And that is tracking commands. Where is the actual tracking down? Ah, in here. Okay. Yeah, I will have to change all of that. Detection, let me have a look at the detection. So this will need a lot of changing. Oh my goodness. What exactly is this function here? I don't even remember. I think I needed to add those because of reasons. So if you yeah. So if idle farm sends an edit, it will check if it is never allowed or if it is always allowed. It's never allowed when, yeah, if it's just a pin, obviously. And it's always allowed if it is a captcha or a fusion result. I think it's safe to say that for now... Wait, oh wait, what? Ah, yeah, okay. I don't need that yet. Okay, this will have to change a shit ton, but let's start with the settings file. So this is some global stuff. This loads the database, which I have to rename. Yes, this opens the database. This opens the log file. By the way, did I? Yeah. I don't need some old logs of another bot. Here we have the images, which are a mess. Here's the database. Rename. I will also have to have a look at that. I will have to clean out a lot of that schism. Okay. Here is the logo. And this just loads the .env. I think that looks good. Multipliers, I don't need those. The game ID, yeah, okay, the game ID obviously is another one. I need to change the game ID. Where is idle farm? We need the user ID of idle farm. And this other ID is of Hasty, which I use to send embeds and other stuff to test. The default prefix is going to be Molly, because why not? The embed color. That reminds me, I also need to make some emojis. Oh, this is gonna be a lot of work. Embed color. Molly, where are you? This is orange. I could use this orange here. I could also use this nice little is it rose? Pink something. let me see how it looks. Let's just use this maybe. Let's use orange first. Okay, somewhere in here is the hex code. There we go. That looks almost like the autocolor before. How about this? Yeah. Why not? And then we have some interaction timeout stuff. I can keep that. Right, so I think this looks good. Now, I wanted to have a look at the cache. The cache essentially reads everything that starts with, yes, exactly, idle. And pause it so I can quickly access it whenever I need to. So that is already updated for the new board. That was easy. Boy, I really have to get rid of a lot of okay, so I have the cache, the detection. You know, I will just kick out everything I don't need yet. So this gets the embed from here. I think I can leave that. That should work perfectly fine. This right here is a little curious because that is clearly not going to work in idle farm. What am I doing here? I'm getting the user from the database. Honestly, I don't really understand what I did here anymore. That's great. I get the interaction user of the message. I only have an interaction user if it is a slash command. Okay. So I also get the user ID. If I have a user ID, I do get that user as an embed user. Okay. And if I do have an interaction user, I get user settings for the interaction user out of my database. But this, if I do not have that user yet, Fusion results. Okay, it only returns if it's not Fusion results because Fusion results is a multiplayer command. Okay, so I can just remove that and return. Right. And here I check the embed user and also get the user settings for the embed user. Unless it is identical to the interaction user, then I do not have to do that. I can just use the other ones. I do think no one actually watching this will have any idea what I'm doing. This is probably not going to be very interesting. Okay, now I get all kinds of user settings, and if they are true, I will do all of that shit down here. So, helper context, helper maybe I will do a context helper. Not sure yet. if I have some ideas for it. I most certainly do not need a prune helper, reminder boosts, reminder clean. I will need a reminder for idle vote, but that's not in yet. What else do we have in idle farm? We have a claim command, which I'm not quite sure how to handle yet. Let's see, where are you? Yes, we have a claim command, which I will do a reminder of some sort. We have idle vote, we have idle daily. I will add a reminder for that. What else do we have? We have idle team rate. That will probably need a reminder, but I do not know anything about guilds yet, so not yet. Okay, I need a reminder daily. I need a reminder vote. And I need a reminder claim. We'll probably do that. And then we have quest, research, upgrade. Tracking, yes. You will be able to turn that on and off. The helpers. I do know that I will probably add a helper for rates. Let me have a look on my other screen. Because I started the list of shit I want to do. Daily reminder, claim, vote, rate helper, inventory calculator, maybe. Although I don't really see the point too much. The idea was you can open your inventory and it will be like, this is as many eidolons. I don't know how useful it's going to be. But of course, the issue with an inventory calculator is, let me show you really quick. Idle Farm has a market. And these items in here, these change every day. So I would have to read all of those every day. And I have now played 8 days and I have never opened this ever. So if no one opens it, how am I supposed to keep track of it? So I would probably have an inventory calculator that will be like, well, I would like to calculate, but I can't. Can you please open this first? Honestly, I'm not sure how useful this would be. Then we have a calculator that would do the exact same thing, but for one item. Would essentially be like this of Epic RPG Guide. You can enter an item and then be like 100 and then yeah, okay, that will not be in there. And Jesus Christ, yeah, okay. And then it will tell you 100 X and Y is 2 million whatever, right? But again, only works if I have those market values first. So yeah, I will have to think about this a little bit more. Event pings, I just took note. I don't know. I never did that because usually servers do that on their own. So who needs that? Custom reminders, yes, these are going to be in there and will be just like this. You can just be like 1 hour, hello, and it will just add them in here. And yeah, that I will add that. That's easy because I literally just have to copy paste the code. Guild reminders, yes, again, I don't really know much about it. Context helper, I actually started thinking about this. What did I want to do? After using an energy item, that makes sense. After claiming, yeah. I wrote something else about upgrades I don't really understand right now. What exactly? Anyway, some coffee. Shit, that's hot. Yeah, okay. I will just start with stats. But there will probably be a context helper. All right. And this cooldowns. Cooldowns. No, I don't need that. Just chips helper context. Okay, you know, I will just remove all of that because I can always do that later. Profile, stats, rebirth, tool, tracking, there we go. Let's just focus on that right now. Items, votes, yeah. Right, so all of that stuff is now. Let's just clean up some stuff. That was the wrong button. Looking better. Okay, this, I wanted to keep this. Yeah, looking good. Right, now let's go and clean up those folders. Database, reminders, tracking, arrows, cooldowns. Cooldowns? What do I have in there? Oh, wait, I think I know what that is. Cooldowns database. This reads from... I think before I clean out that folder, I need to open the database. Right. That is the completely wrong computer. Where? Personal Molly database, Molly database, right? Molly dev, and where is it? There you are. Right, here are the cooldowns. Technically, the way it is right now, I mean, I will keep it just in case that he will add other stuff later on which will require it. But right now, literally the only thing I have in here is quote, which is 43,200 seconds. I assume that is still accurate. That is 12 hours, right? Yes. Okay. We have arrows, yeah. Let's get rid of all of that stuff. No arrows yet. That will change quickly. We have some guilds. I have no guilds yet. Reminders, no active reminders. Settings. The startup, yeah, let's just leave that in. The tracking log. Yeah, I can delete all of that. And users, that is me. Right, so while looking at users, let's look at this. We need to clean out this shit. I'm really happy this is not Navi, because it would look even way worse. Let's have a look at it real quick. Navi is this. It's just such an amazing mess by now. Okay, so we... Oh, not here. We don't have that actually. Well, let's have a look at this real quick. Patreon case file now. Idle farm. Okay. Yeah. Hello? Where is the search function? There we go. Idle farm. Come on. There it is. 179 people are already spending money. I usually do, but in this case... Ooh, this game has some issues right now. You get way too much stuff on here. So, it increases your energy recharge, which I can't track because of reasons. It increases your max energy. Also not important for me. It increases... Well, it increases your daily stuff. That's also not important. And you get some idle coins. You have a lower market tax. Oh shit. You have a lower market tax. So if I do include an inventory calculator, I actually do need this. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, let's just keep it in here and not actually use it for now. D&D mode, yes, I'm going to keep that. Helper context, yes. Helper prone, no, but I could rename that to helper rate. Alright, so last rebirth. No, but I need one for last claim for sure. Do I need one for last payday? Yeah, let's do that. Last payday. Default. I should have copy pasted that. That would have been nice. Okay. And of course it has to be down here now. Last claim, last payday. I didn't even make a typo. Great. Level? Ah, I need that for 3. Do I need the level of the user? Does the user even have a level? I don't think I have a level. I have energy. I have harms. I have workers. Good point. If I make a raid helper, I need... Oh, that doesn't work. Worker stats. If I do a raid helper, I need to read this stuff here and I need to store that stuff. I can add that when I need it. Okay. No level. What else do we have here? We have... Yeah, I don't need that. Level... How many farms? The amount of workers, energy, idlers idea. Okay. Prototype. I don't have that in idle farm. Reactions enabled. Yes, I'm gonna keep that setting. A rebirth. That is the amount of rebirth. Do I need to actually, you know what? Yeah. Oh, wait, no. I wanted to say how many K days I made, but because Idle Farm isn't showing me this info anywhere, also not in here, I quite literally do not know, so I can't track that. Reminder boosts. Yeah, okay, now let's get rid of all that stuff. Just clean daily, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay, let's do that. Fusion, hive energy, prune stuff. No, 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 no. Votes, yes. Reminder slash, yeah. Research time, no. Streak vote, no. Tracking enabled, yeah. XP stuff, I don't need that. Okay, now it's much better. This time, let's copy paste. All right. I need a reminder claim enabled. This will tell me if it's on or off. Data type 1. Yeah, very smart. Okay. And reminder claim message. Oh yeah, I also need this. Yeehaw! Actually, that is so amazingly stupid. I'm gonna keep it for now. I can always change it. People will probably be like, what the fuck? And that's beautiful. Okay, claim, let me have a look. Custom reminders. Oh yeah, I also want to make those reminders changeable. I think I will actually do that. Reminder custom. What the fuck did I just type? Custom message. This is so fucking small, I can't even... This is your reminder for... I don't know. Message? No. Text? Text. Yeah, sure. Okay, now let's... Alright, I hope that's all. I can always change stuff later on. Tracking. Commando drop amount. This looks good. Settings, yeah. Reminders. Probably alright. Guilds, arrows, cooldowns. Yeah, okay, looking good. So, now that we have that, we can go to the database access code. This will probably... I can leave that as it is. I need some coffee. Still hot. Okay, what else do we have? We have arrows. Yeah, I don't think I need to change anything in here. We have the guild code. This gets the guild prefixes stuff. Reminders. I didn't really change anything in here, right? No. Settings, tracking, users. This is where I changed a lot of stuff. Okay. Bot enabled, honor tier, context, rates. Last rebirth. Oh yeah, last rebirth. And what did we do here? Last claim and last. That was the wrong button. Heyday, right? Yes. Then we have claim, custom, daily vote, reactions enable, prototype level. Don't need that. Rebirth, boosts, daily. Reminder claim. Daily. Vote, what else? Claim, daily vote. The custom reminder message. Yeah, I will probably also have to add it in here. Okay, and now we also have to clean up this shit. Rates. I'm really happy this isn't Navi, because otherwise this would take much longer than it already does. Boost chests. We have claim, daily, custom. Daily and votes. / enabled, yeah. Wait. Streak, vote, research time, and the whole XP shit. I don't need that. Okay. XP and these. That's all of them, right? Roads, tracking, claim. Yeah, looking good. Okay. Rebirth. Last claim. Payday. Level, prototype. Rebirth. Claim message. Claim enabled. That is a boolean. And then we have custom message. We do not have a custom enabled. Fusion, Hive, Prune, Quest, Research, yada 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 yada. And the XP shit again. Now I can copy paste all of that. All right, we are getting back to the rest. I just wanna complete this description. You will probably be like, why do you do all of that? Because it helps a lot if you label stuff properly. Because half a year later, I'm always like, what the hell did I do there? And if it's labeled properly, I have a chance to figure it out much faster. All right, now we have last claim and last... last claim and payday. These are date times. We have the raid helper. These are bools. We have level, prototype. We don't have those anymore. Rebirth. Nope. We have... Okay. Claim. And custom reminder. Now, because custom reminder only has a message, I'm just gonna be like enabled true. It's always enabled. All right. And daily fusion, yada yada yada, and vote. Reminder slash research time string. Okay, I read that, and the whole XP shit again. Right, that should be everything, I think, for now. So that looks good. Now let's go to the cogs. We have detection. We already had a look at this, right? Yeah, that's okay for now. We have the whole F commands. Anything in here I need to... I don't think I need to change anything in here. Main, that is the help command and stuff, and you know what? Let's just... Oh, wait a second. I can't run this yet. Right? It will probably not run. Actually, it runs. Okay, but I would like to do an venv first. What was the command? Let me see real quick. .venv. Right. Yes, I want to use that. And now I need to activate the venv. There we go. And now I need to install all of that schism in here. Human friendly PS util Pycord is on 2.4.1. Ah yes, in case you haven't noticed, I am coding in the beautiful language of Python. I am sure you figured it out by now. And .env, yeah, okay, I need all of that stuff. So, human friendly. Yes. And I also need to update pip. Yeah, okay. Alright, are you happy now? And PS util and Pycord and the last one. All right, let's see if it still runs. You don't have an extension for debugging pip. Yeah, very funny. Does it run? It runs, okay. Let's see. Is it online? Molly is online. Now, let's see what happens when I use about. I didn't touch that at all. I'm MariaDB. No, you're not. Stop lying. I kind of like the embed color though. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have a look at that. But, well, it looks like it runs so far. Molly RM 5-second test. That didn't do anything. Why? Tracking main... because reminders aren't active. Yeah, of course, that doesn't do anything. Yeah, okay. Do we have the calculator, though? That should be active. Good, Molly. Well done. Great. Okay. I kind of like the icon, I have to say. So, oh, wait. You know what I'm going to do now? Very important stuff. Just needs to be done. Let me take the color. Beautiful pink, whatever it is. And change the role. Molly, where are you? All the way down here, okay. Don't look at the roles. This is quite literally just my absolute mess server shit is just... Okay, so... Maybe orange would be better, actually. The problem is that this... Maya, why are you white? Well, whatever. That is not very useful anyway. That is more useful, okay. Here I have a yellow. The problem is it's almost orangey as well, so I would like them to be not exactly close, you know? So anyway, let's do something about that about thing. That is the main stuff. Here we have the help command. That is the wrong. I need the content right. So here we have invite support and shit. Oh, strings. I need to have a look at the strings file after this. Okay, we have event reductions active. By the way, good question. Let's see if this has any issues. Molly? Whoa, you have some beautiful emojis, obviously, because you are not in any emoji servers, aren't you? Yeah, well... No, let's do that later. Alright, so that seems to work. Now we have the help command, which right now obviously just shows all of Maya's commands. Yeah, well, if I open... I have too many bots in here. And too many bots have help commands. Bloody hell. Alright, so... Molly help, does that work? Yes, cool. Alright. I really like this image. Whoa, that's large. I like it. That's cool. It's you could cut it a little. Yeah, well, that is not the folder I want to be in. Let's have a look at this real quick. Molly. So. All right, let's see. How does it look now? It's still not entirely... Yeah, well, it's okay. Let's leave it like that. Oh, although, wait. If I do that, I also have to change it in here, right? Yeah, okay. Right. Cool. Goodbye, Molly. Okay, so again, help command. Stats. Yes. We will not have any reminder management settings later. Miscellaneous. Yes, we will have calculators, event reductions, and we will have stats. That's quite literally all we have for now. And I am Molly. Hello. Yeehaw. Okay. I don't know. Actually, you can have a lot of farms, so let's make them more than one. All right, and here's the about thing. Yeehaw! Yeah! Molly! And here I would like to add some yada yada. I don't know yet. Bot stat, stuff. Yeah. Thanks to... let's leave that out for now. No idea. All right. And now... yes, that looks... all right. And the help command supposedly also still works, hopefully. Yes. Yeehaw. Yeah, okay, let's go to the strings. Oh my goodness, I completely forgot about my interaction errors. Yeah, okay, I'll just leave those in here. What is that up here? Aborted, message not found, wait for input. I'm actually not sure I will ever actually use that, but... no data found. Yeah, anyway. This is the important part, the links. The links lead to change. The invite link. Actually, I could already add that, even though it's not really completed yet. I did add that somewhere. Yes, as you can see, this is quite the mess. This is just me just testing shit and whatnot. Where is the... oh wait, didn't I add as a pin? Ah, here it is. Okay, I was at least a little bit smart. Okay, so here's the invite link. Cool. And then we have, yeah, these just have to change the GitHub link, and then the support server. Well, there is no support server yet, so let's remove that. No support for you, sir. Okay. And now technically... oh, why is it... why are there so many help commands? Right. That link is gone. Invite should now invite Molly. Nice. And the GitHub is now also linked to Molly. Yeah, okay, that is not uploaded yet, so obviously that doesn't work. Cool. Yeah. Cool. So far... create a launch.json file module. But here we go. Good point, actually. Let's open... that's not what I wanted to open. Maya. I want Maya. Okay, so I would like... there we go. Let's copy this. And there we need another comma, and then bot arguments, yada yada. Okay, Cool, and now I should be able to choose that stuff, and yeah. Now it looks like I'm used to. Cool. Okay, let's have a look at the files. Cox, rebirth. Well, I do not need rebirth. Tasks, tracking, reminders. I'll keep the reminders. I assume the reminders as custom stuff is all in here. Yeah, actually, that is all that is in here. Oh no. The reminders list. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have a look at that later. How long have I been recording already, by the way? 1 hour. Okay, it feels much longer. Settings. Yeah, let's do that later as well. Okay, database, we have been over database. Yeah, okay, this stuff I will have to, you know what, it's easier to do that in here. So processing, prune, chest, inventory. Maybe I will need inventory later on. Use, actually use, I might actually need profile, Patreon, fusion, clean quests, tracking, yes, tool, laboratory, rebirth, hive, rate. I'm gonna need a rate, although it's gonna be completely different than the other one. Chips, Thalie, yeah. Would you? Yeah, okay. Goodbye. Anything else I really don't need? Content, rebirth, yeah. All right. That is Maya. Goodbye. Oh, always the same chaos. Okay, now detection calls tracking, imports from processing. Yes, okay. Now, I would like to track my rates and my roles. I'll start with the roles because the rates... the problem with the rates is that they are very expensive to do energy-wise, and I don't really have a lot of energy. 92, but I can do a lot of rolls, so that's cool. Okay, track the capture. I don't need to track the capture. What exactly do I need to track? I need to track a roll, and I need to track rate. And okay, I want to track roles, I want to track rates, and what is the other one I wanted to track? Claims. The amount of claims. Honestly, I'm not sure if that is in any way interesting. I mean, I can just edit, but what is actually interesting me is probably roles and how many rates I did, and rate points. How many rate points I got in and lost in total, right? That is what I think would interest me. The claims, I mean, I can track the amount of claims, but By the way, what is that track? That is weird. That's better. Okay, track roles. Yeah, now the problem is that this is actually not... Okay. Now it's fixed again. Detection. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this and I'm going to capture the... one role. Where is... So, if I open worker hire... There we go. And now that role embed sits in here and I can just copy it and add it to my testy thing, which isn't open. Testy idle, there you are. Oh, that is... Yeah, I need to clean out that shit as well. Oh, why is making a new bot always so much work? Okay. Oh shit, and all of that stuff also is not really... Well... Oh shit. Oh shit, I just realized the emojis of the game. I also need the emojis of the game. Oh fuck. Yeah, well... Welcome to emoji yoinking. Yeah, I need to do that in the browser. I hope I'm already logged in at least. Looks like it. Thank you, Discord. How very useful. Okay. Yeah. This is down no smolly image emojis idle farm. Okay, so I'll just store everything in there. I can clean it up later on. So here we have some... Actually, do I need those? I don't know. I just... What? Can you please open your last used folder? Come on. Don't do that to me. That was a typo. Half worker star, okay. Oh, come on. This is... No, really? Where is that extension? Save image as PNG. Do you have any options to change? By the way, I don't need this anymore. Come on, is that... Options? The other ones have options. This does not have any options. Oh, fucking hell. This is gonna be really, really, really annoying. Because if I just save up, I will get a WebP. I don't want a WebP. I want PNG. Oh well, okay. I think I will not get all of the emojis because otherwise I will be here forever. But the problem is I kind of need this. Common worker. Speed stuff. Do I need that? Speed. No. Let's just get these as well. Intelligence, sure, why not? And now these, the issue is these are all emojis, so I need to get all of those for all the types. That's gonna be fun. These are not animated, right? Because, yeah, because not all of them are not animated. Wait, do I even need all of them? You know, I think I can do that off screen because all I actually need is his text. All right, so now I need to create another one server. Create my own. Yes, just for me. That's fine. Molly emojis. Great. It's on top. I don't want to have it on top, but whatever. Server settings. Roles emoji. There we go. Now you know what? I at least need all of those. I'll just go to the idle farm server and I am going to look for idle farm, get the user ID. All right, from idle farm, I would like to get, what are the others called? Efficient worker? Actually, you know, all I need is an overview of someone having... Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Never mind. I do have all of the... No. I just need to open this and... There is everything. That's all I need. Okay. Sometimes I'm stupid. That is a GIF. This is a useless worker. Well, what a nice name. This is a... Yeah. Efficient worker. We already have common. We have the talented worker. Wise. Expert. And masterful. Right. Now let's just upload these for now, and I don't think I need... Well, let's see. Let's upload energy as well, because why not? And yeah, let's just... Actually, no, I don't need those. Okay. Right. And now I need the IDs of that. For that, I can just choose all of them. In order, please. Useless. Okay. Why do I have to click on this server every fucking time, Discord? Expert and masterful. And also energy, because why not? Alright, so okay, now let's add those in here. Without any hypos would be nice. And common. This is the less exciting coding part. This is just doing stuff because you need to do stuff. Otherwise you can't move on with the rest. Expert, masterful. And now I just realized that they are in order, but they are not alphabetical, which is ugly. I hate that. Energy. So let's do it alphabetically. That's better. Okay. So this stuff right here, I don't know. The privacy policy. That would probably be important. Actually, do I even need that with Testy? I don't think I need those yet. Let's just leave these here. Okay. I might also need those with Molly, actually, but anyway. Emojis. Now I need to invite. Where is it? Molly to Molly emojis. Let me guess. Yes, I'm human. Hello. I clicked on the button ages ago. Thank you. And where is Testy? Ooh, wow, there's okay. Testy, there you are. Molly, oh my shit, I have too many emoji servers. Yes, I'm still human. You just asked. Okay. Cool. Now. Messages. I need to clean out this shit. Okay, I need a role. You can also open this by using another command, but I think it really doesn't matter much. I just use a role, message role, and worker hire message. Yes. All right. And all the other stuff in here, I just get rid of for now. I don't really need any of that. Actually, wait. I would like to trigger certain roles, so I will have this. Right. Worker type. Okay, now I can get rid of all of the other stuff. That will make this a little less of a mess. I also don't need that, I think. Okay. Yes. Now that's better. All right. A role message, which is still hanging somewhere in here. So here's the embed. Now, what do we have? We have... well, I need to open the embed first. We have a description. Do we have a title? No. But we have a description, okay. And here we have the energy emoji, which I already have. That's nice. And we have... do we have an author? Yeah. I need that weird thing here. All right, and we have the author text. That's done. We have the author icon. Let's add some fields. One field. The field name. Let's see. Wow. Ah, yes, that's okay. Yeah. This is interesting. UFEFF. What is this? What is UFEFF? Is there... There it is. Hero with no breaking space. Okay, so it's no breaking space. There's probably a reason that it's in there, but it should technically not affect me at all. Okay, now common work. Now these yeah, I'll just type it out. It isn't really important, so let's do it like that. And then we need the content of that field. Yeah, speed. And then we have, yeah. I just leave it like this because I do not read it anyway. So it might be ugly, but it really doesn't matter. So now something in here isn't quite right. What are you complaining about? Not closed. I have an unclosed bracket. There we go. That's better. Yes. Now, worker type, field names. Okay, let's do a dict here. Now, worker type, common. Right, and now we have useless. We have efficient. What is the other names? Talented, wise, masterful, deficient. 1, 2, 3. I am common, deficient, talented, useless. Which one am I missing? There's another one. Common, wise, expert. Okay, expert. Right. Also, numbers here do not matter at all. At least not right now. Expert, export, yes, of course. Masterful. Talented. Wise. Right, and now I can... Of course, if I... This could... Actually, let's make it properly. Otherwise, I will get some really ugly errors. Alright, so... Cool. I also don't need that shit. Oh, that also needs a launch file. There we go. Let's see if that even runs. Okay. Is it online? Testy, where are you? Testy, there you are. Testy roll. All right. Okay. It's ugly, but it will probably work. And yeah, let's see if it will see that thing. Yes, cool. Yeah, well, and now I should be able to do this. Nice. Oh. Yes, thank you, Navi. I rolled an expert. Well, that's actually a good test. That means it works. So that should also get an autoflex. Yes. Okay. Just in case you're interested, these are not in Navi. I only added them in the army because as an Easter egg, you know. So yeah. Okay. Now let me have a quick look at Maya's database. And because I need some actual data, let's have a look at the live database. To the tracking. This is gonna be a lot. Prune, capture. Where are the nuggets? How did I store them? Hello, nuggets. $1.3 million data records. Great. Cool. Shit. Nugget. I assume. Okay. Wooden nugget, silver nuggets. Okay, so that's how I store them. So I assume I just load them and then show them like this. Oh, I just show the emoji. Okay. Yeah, so the idea is to have it look like this. So up here it says role, and you have all of those worker types and the amount. And then you have rate, which will have rate points. Let's see. These are things. Actually, now that it's open, I might as well. Wrong server. Where was my path? There. Go. Right points. And here's the islands. There's gonna be a lot more of those emojis. Yeah, and then still unsure if I should claim. Let's have a look at a claim emoji, a claim embed, not emoji. So here someone did a claim. Yeah, you do a claim and then you usually boost you, and then wait. These two embeds are not related to each other. Careful here. Did anyone here actually roll a dice? Here we go. So you claim, you boost, roll a dice, and then you get some extra stuff. Yeah, you know, I don't know if these are interesting in any way. I mean, the only thing that could be interesting a little bit here is the claim, the scores after the boost, but those would be annoying to store and also make this whole thing super large. If I look at this, and I already have a role, and then I have 7 workers, then I have rates, that is another 3 lines, and then I would add all of these other roles, which would be over 12 no, let's not do that. Okay, I think I'll just leave out claim entirely. Anyway, for now, let's just use role. So I am in detection. I don't need to be in detection. I need to be into tracking, processing, track role, yes. Right, now. Let me have a look at that embed again. What am I going to look for? I think I'm probably going to look for this author line to pick it up. Right. And that is in the author. Now I have to see detection. What do I embed? Author name. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that is English. Actually, I do not think this will be available in any other languages. But let's just leave it like this, just in case he will add more languages. So, if user is none, else user mentions. I do not have a mention in here whatsoever, so that is else I probably say return false or just return. Actually not sure. Why did I do just a return here and not a return false? Because these actually return true or false, and the reason for that is if it returns true, it will add the reaction to the embed. If not, well then not. Anyway, yeah, okay, that's looking good. Now, if tracking is not enabled, it will return, obviously. And now it gets the current time. That's correct. And it inserts a log entry. Right. Yes. Now, I do need to know the amount of roles, but I also need to know the amount, the role type. But I don't need to do, I mean, I can just count all of the role types to get the amount of total roles, right? So I don't need to store role. So what I do need to do, I need to get the role type out of the embed. How do I do that at least halfway elegantly? How about this? Useless. Actually, no. Let's just make a list. Useless. Deficient comment. You know, I'm pretty sure I will need those again and again, so I'll just add them here somewhere. Oh my god, look at all that shit I don't need. Woo! Yeah, I will need to clean up in here. Oh my goodness. Well, I can clean up these. Daily, we have custom and we have claim. Ah, yes. Yeehaw. This is going to annoy people so much. I already love it. Votes. Claim. Time to claim your farms. Rewards. Materials. What exactly does idle farm call this? Not at all. Great. Thank you, Loom. Helpful as usual. Claim your farm productions. Yeah, okay, why not? Custom. You know what? It has been last claim time since your last claim. Yeah, let's add that. Last claim time. Because that I think that is a good idea and also useful. Okay, claim. Custom, where is Molly? I have too much shit in here. Molly. What is the user? There we go. Custom. Right. Daily. Votes. Time to. Yeah, okay. I mean, let's just add them in here as well, even though it's technically is not really important, but whatever. So it looks decently, at least at launch. Okay. All right. Now, your name or mention depending on the D&D mode. Boost emoji, not relevant. Command last claim time. That's not what I wanted to do. Last claim time. Since your last claim. Last time. Time since your last time. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Something when you should probably tell me about this. Yeah, you probably should. But please don't DM me. Use the support server. Activities boost. Emojis. I don't think these I have. Donor tears emojis. No, I don't need that. Activities. Actually, I'm not quite sure. Where are these used? In the reminder list. Oh, well, I have to, yeah. That is a good question anyway. So if I look at my if I look at this list with the active stuff, this is I mean, what do we have? We have claim. I mean, I will probably show the time until the end of the claim reminder, but also the time since the last claim. That's probably useful. Then we have the daily. That's easy enough. That will look just like this. Then we have the vote reminder will also look like this. And what was the other one? The custom reminders. They are test whatever. Yes, these are just popping up down here. Okay, so it's going to be a rather short list actually. Okay, we have claim daily and vote. That's not a lot. Activity commands. Claim daily. That's exact same thing. Activity boosts. We don't have any boosts. We don't have tool. Slash commands. Claim. Yeah. Claim is claim. Research daily. Wait, I think this only lists shit that is not identical. I'm pretty sure in the case of idle form, daily is daily, yes. Claim is claim, yes. And vote is vote. I don't need that. Activities columns. Claim, reminder claim, yeah. Daily is reminder daily. Okay. Boosts. I still don't have any boosts. Slash commands. Claim. Okay. Claim. Let's get those IDs. Claim daily. I will probably have to add auto slash commands and not only these because of the context helper, but not yet. Hive inventory, Patreon profile, prune, votes. That's the only one that is important right now. Votes. Vote. There we go. Okay. Tracked commands. That is going to be role and rate. Sorted by cooldown length. So this is the order how it shows up. I think I'm gonna do it like this then. Rolls on the top. On the other hand, rates are much shorter, so yeah. Shorted by how it will show up on the stats symbol. So tracked prune drops. Tracked worker types. I'm not quite sure why, but okay. Worker. Useless. Worker. Okay. Deficient. Common. What is this noise over here, by the way? Anything important? It's probably just the idle events. Okay, what's talented, expert, and masterful, right? Drag the worker types and yeah. I'm still missing one again. What did I... Talented... Wise. There we go. Drag drop emojis. Drag... Worker types. Emojis. Okay, now I need those emojis. Luckily, I already added them. There... Oh. What is this ugly space at the end everywhere? Oh, actually, they are also down here. What is this? Emojis. Yeah, equal farm. Miscellaneous reactions. Reactions. Will I do reactions? I don't know yet. So now I need to take all of these. Emojis worker useless. Emojis deficient. Common. Talented. Wise. Expert. Masterful. Okay. So far so good. Let's leave it like that for now. What's the time? Okay, now I have to go back. So, yes, okay. All right. Let me complete this real quick and then I'll take a break. I need some more coffee anyway. All right. So, what was the idea here? Yes, I wanted to have the worker types. Yeah. Worker types. That is what I actually wanted to do, and I still haven't done. That is great. Okay, talented, wise, expert, masterful. Now they are, well... Alphabetical. I like alphabetical. Although, to be honest, the other ones are... Oh, never mind. Okay, now I can loop through those. Okay, so for worker type in strings.worker type. By the way, oh, I need to add that. By the way, if there is a thing that I hate, is people using single letter names for shit in code. It's so unreadable. I mean, just look at this. If you look at this, you immediately know this contains a worker type, and this contains a lot of worker types, right? Now, if I do it like this for X and Y, you have absolutely no idea what is X, and then you have to go to look, okay, what could X be? You look at Y, and you have to look at what is in Y, and then you can find out, okay, so 1X is... It's just such an amazing waste of time just because people are lazy. You can't be too lazy. I mean, just think about it. I can just be like WO and it will immediately tell me, you probably mean worker type. Yes, thank you. Really, sometimes people are just too lazy. Okay, anyway. So for worker type in, and now I wanna check if it is in embed data, and I think these are called field 0. Let's see, detection, field 0 name, yeah. Then if that work type is in that name, then what? What is it called in the database? The tracking log. Type, no. Let's command or drop. I probably have to rename that, by the way, because this is not a drop. So this could be a command, which it will not be in this case, or it could be role type. It could also be rate points gained or lost. This needs a way more general name. I was about to call it entry type, but I also have a type here, and that is something else. You know, I will have to use my... I will think about that off screen for a little bit. Right now I have absolutely no idea. So let's just call it text, entry text or whatever. The entry text is worker type. Okay, so and then I can change that to entry text. Okay. And now we can see if that works or anything implodes. Because technically now I should be able to roll stuff and it should add records. Well, works beautifully. Yeah. Let's see. Is it even doing anything? Okay, so it is actually entering here. Okay. It has my user. Oh. Yeah, you know what? I am not registered with the bot. That is why I can't do anything. That is oh, okay, so okay. Let me do all of that next time. There is a lot of stuff yet to be done. I think I will use the time off screen to get some or all of these emojis, so things will start to look a little bit better. And I will also have a look at my... You know what? Okay, let me just make a list, otherwise I will just forget. The embed color, and also these in here. I will have to recolor all of these. emoji colors. Yoink emojis. Add emojis to... Should I do that on screen? No, that's really not interesting. Testy. And what else? See, I already forgot again. Always the same shit, which is why I should always write that stuff down. What else did I want to do off screen? You'll find out next time. Right. Well, that's it for now. I will see you next time.